Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the background in the background of a photo in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the CapCut app, and here it opens up in the edit menu. From here we just go into photo editor in the top left corner. Then we can just select a picture that we would like to edit. So it's this one. Then tap on add. Here if we scroll to the right, in the bottom row we find background. We can tap on this and then set the background color to something else. Let's say like this. And then if we tap on the picture, the background will have another kind of color. And then we can just play around, set the background color to something that the picture has, like use the dropper tool. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.